What's happening, everybody? We're back, January 30th, upstate New York. You know, freezing my ass off today. Could be worse, but hey, let's get to it. If you tuned into the last vid, you see we started tearing apart the zx6r. Today we're gonna finish off the forks, so let's get to it. All right, we got the fork legs off. Now, a couple things before we tear them apart. Just want to pay attention to your preload. You want to bring this all the way out so it's at its softest point. Same with your tension and your compression down here. You want to put those at the softest settings, and we're ready to go. All right, real quick, I will give you a quick pointer. So you got this bottom bolt here, it holds the insides together. It is, I believe, an 8mm Allen. So I dump my oil out so I don't make a mess. Put my top cap back on. Throw it on the impact. All right, it's 10 mil. Just enough to break it free. I'll tighten it back up a little. That's it. Now you're ready to take apart your fork. All right, there you have it. First fork disassembled, ready to clean, inspect, rebuild. So we got our dust seal, snap ring, oil seal, washer is already in there. It's really good to have these. Motion Pro makes this set 43mm. So all you gotta do is slide hammer that seal in, snap ring goes in, dust seal. Always a good idea to replace this crush washer. You don't want to rebuild your forks and have a leak. Feel it catch. Lock her down. All right, this next step's pretty straightforward. Fork oil. Always, always, always have the fork compress, spring out. Now, a lot of people will pay attention to the fork oil amount. I really don't worry about that too much because what matters is the fork oil level. Now, in order to get my fork oil level right, we use this gauge. The spec for this bike is 101 plus or minus 2mm. Got another fancy tool, Motion Pro. Nothing but the best. This allows me to grab my dampener rod. It's got different sizes. 3 on this end, 2 on this end. You just thread it right on. And now I have something to pump my piston. Now you want to get all the air out. You want to go nice and slow. Do that about 10 times. Now that rod should drop right on its own, nice and smooth, just like it is. Shouldn't drop right down, it shouldn't stutter. Just go nice and smooth. I think we're good. Now, I might have to top off. There you have it. Front forks zx6r 0304 model. Last thing I'll do is one more final wipe down. Check the operation. No leaks. Everything's happy. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.